Hey all, so in this video we'll be talking about how you can connect smallest APIs to telephony. Since we are a company who focuses on real-time voice AI, telephony and voice agents are a primary use case where you can use our lightning model APIs, which are pretty damn fast. So they are like you can generate the whole audio in 200 milliseconds or 250 milliseconds over a network depending on geography and internet, but 250 milliseconds is like really very fast for a voice agent. So that's something we have enabled. Today I'll be showing you in this video how you can connect our APIs to different telephony providers. I'll be giving example with Twilio, Plivo, and Moonage. So those are like some of the telephony providers where we have tried to integrate with and just demonstrate how you can do it for yourself. So let's just get started. All of this is available in the Waves example repo, the links of which we'll be sharing in the down below in the video, in the description. You can check it out there. All of it is there. So a quick walkthrough of how it's done for different telephony providers is that you need three things. You need an API. You need a public API on which the interaction can happen. So the Plivo telephony APIs can interact with you. You need their SDKs to make a call, and you need your app where you will generate the audio and then send it forward to the Plivo. So what we'll be demonstrating is just a one-way call. Basically, we will be using a script. It's like a similar kind of script where we'll be using different voice IDs turn by turn and sending it one by one onto the telephony. So you will basically, if you do everything correctly, you will get a call and you will have different speakers. So I'm using Pragya and Raman. So basically Pragya and Raman, these are like the names of some of our voice IDs. They'll be talking about smallest and what we are doing on your call or on your whatever number you put in. So say for example, if you want to do it for Plivo for Indian customers, what you can do is that add all of your things in the .env. The format is pretty straightforward. So you have to put in your API key. You have to put in the Plivo number. You will get it from the Plivo dashboard. You have to put in your Plivo auth ID and token. This is the number where you would like to do the call. And then once you run like ngrok on your local, you will get a URL which allows you to connect you to public internet. So that URL you have to put here. Once all of that is done, we have a auxiliary class that helps in creating an audio buffer and sending it to the telephony WebSocket. And then we have an app. So basically it does all of the things that's needed for connecting the call, handling the inbound call or the outbound call. And it's just a UVCon app as of now. And then third script is about making that call. So you make an outbound call from the Plivo number or from the telephony number to any number that you have put in. So that's what we'll be doing today. And basically this is the script that's there. So these are payloads, and these payloads will be sent one by one. Okay, so to get started, let's just open a terminal. Okay, so I'll be just updating the env and probably stop sharing till that time. Okay, so now I have updated the env and started ngrok in one of the terminals. So you have to use the URL that you see here in the forwarding in the env basically. I have used the port 5001, so that's something you need to be aware about, that is the same port that you should be using in when running your Plivo app basically, right? So let's just go to Plivo example. So you will need three terminals ideally. In one you will be running the UVCon app, and one you will run the ngrok, and then the third one you will use to make a call. So I have put in my number, and as we saw above, or saw in the previous, like when we are talking about what exactly we will be achieving, is that I'll receive a call with the script that we have put in. So okay. Sorry, something happened. Okay. So now the Plivo app has started, and then in the third terminal, I'll just make a call. Cool. So it's making a call and it started successfully. So I should receive a call. I'll put it on loudspeaker so that all of you can hear.
Welcome to Waves of the Day podcast, where we discuss the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm your host, Pragya.
And I'm Raman. Today we are going to talk about smallest.ai, a groundbreaking platform that's making AI more accessible and efficient for everyone.
That's right, Raman. Smallest.ai is designed to provide powerful speech AI tools that are easy to use, even for those who may not have a deep tech.
So basically, this is what we achieved. Similarly, for Twilio and Vonage, things look pretty similar. So we'll have to follow almost exactly the same thing for Twilio. I have kept the scripts almost same. You just have to change the env and put in the right things there. For Vonage, things look just a bit different, that they use secrets instead of an API key or auth key, I guess. So you just have to put in your secrets, and there is a private key that you have to use. Apart from it, the process looks same for them. So ideally, these are the providers which we have seen a lot of people using for a lot of voice agentic use cases. Would love to know what sort of other providers you are using, and would love to add examples for them. Would love your contribution here. If anyone has built an voice agent on top of any other provider, would encourage to use smallest APIs there and see how easy it is to integrate, etc., and how the voice quality is. So let us know. Happy coding. See you. Bye.